Hey there, Juice Guru Steve and Julie Prusak here. We want to invite you to our free worldwide event, the 7-Day Juice a Day Challenge.
Right, now don't worry if you don't have a juicer yet. You can join the fun even if you only have a beatable blender.
Right, this is for you if you're ready to start feeling amazing again, just like in high school, remember?
I remember.
You can start getting that energy back so you can get all your work done, balance your crazy life, and still outlast your kids every day.
Right? This is also for you if you're like me and maybe you ate a little too much over the holidays. I mean, I can start to see my belly popping out right about now, and I am ready to drop the weight. So we're going to do this with you. This is for you if you just want to improve your intimacy. Juicing really gets your blood pumping. It really improves your libido.
It's easy. All you're committing to is a juice a day to get you into the juicing habit, and it's free. This program is our gift to you, and we really want to support you so you're going to be successful.
Right? You're going to be totally supported. We're all doing this together, and we're doing it with our huge Juice Guru community. And you're going to start feeling really good right away. So you're going to see immediate results.
So sign up by putting your name and email in the box, and we'll see you on the other side. You can do this. Cheers to you.
Cheers.